Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aska Farida Putri Indrawan with student number 22-10,099 from class C. Criminal case in Indonesia: the assault and death of Dini Sera Afriyanti by Gregorius Ronald Tanur. Background: this assault case involves Gregorius Ronald Tanur, the son of Edward Tanur, whose action led in the death of Dini Sera Afriyanti. The incident occurred in Surabaya in October 2023 and included severe physical abuse and the dragging of the victim with a car. The victim is named Dini Sera Afriyanti. Chronology: the victim suffered physical assault, including being struck with a liquor bottle and dragged by a car by the accused, ultimately succumbing to self-injury. Initial investigation: incident: the event took place in the parking area of Landmark Mall, Surabaya. A dispute between the victim and the accused escalated from an argument in the elevator to physical violence in the basement parking lot. Medical report: the autopsy revealed liver laceration caused by blunt trauma and sign of asphyxiation. Key evidence: CCTV footage captured the accused dragging the victim with his car. Autopsy report confirmed the victim death was due to violent action. Suspect is the name Gregorius Ronald Tanur. Motive: triggered by a personal argument. Behavior: post-incident, failed to provide assistance, leaving the victim in a critical condition. Trial: charge Article 351 paragraph 3 of the Indonesian Penal Code, assault resulting in death. Defense: the accused claimed the act was unintentional. Prosecution: evidence including the autopsy report, CCTV footage, and eyewitness testimony indicate intent in the accused's action. Verdict: the court sentenced the accused to 12 years of imprisonment. Public and media reaction: this case garnered widespread attention due to the involvement of a public figure family. Media coverage spurred discussion on justice and Indonesia legal system. Key issues and legal lesson: role of forensic evidence. This case highlights the critical importance of forensic evidence in determining the cause of a victim's death. The autopsy report, registered under visum at repertum number KF 230465 from Dr. Sutomo Hospital, was pivotal. It detailed multiple liver laceration caused by blunt force trauma, leading to massive bleeding. This finding was corroborated by the marks on the victim's body, directly implicating the accused. Impact of media on trials: the intense media attention in the case received, especially given the accused's association with a prominent figure, may have influenced public opinion. However, it also ensured detailed coverage of the event, including the legal proceeding against the accused, motivation and psychological profile. The accused's action appeared driven by personal emotion and conflict with the victim, and escalation from a dispute in the elevator to extreme violence in the parking area underscores how personal conflict can spiral into deadly acts. Legal system and sentencing. The 12 years prison sentence handed to the accused reflects the application of law to assault case resulting in death. However, the fact that the accused initially failed to assist the severely injured victim raised questions about accountability and humanity in emergencies. Conclusion: The Assault and Death of Dini Serra Afrianti by Gregory Ronald Tanur underline the importance of forensic evidence in uncovering the truth and delivering justice to victims. The legal process demonstrates effort to uphold justice. Despite the intense media scrutiny, this case also serves as a reminder of the importance of emotional control in personal conflict to prevent discussion points. Forensic evidence in assault case. How crucial are autopsy results and forensic evidence in determining the cause of death? And what challenges do investigators often face in gathering evidence? Role of media to high-profile trial. Does signification media attention on cases like this help or hinder the judicial process? Psychological profiles in violence crime. How can understanding the psychology of perpetrator help prevent similar incident in